How to make iPhone ring louder for calls. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Go to the ringtone and alert section at the top. The volume slider can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume as shown. You have now set the volume to full volume. And then, turn on the Change with Buttons feature below. After that, go to Ringtone below. Then, choose the ringtone you want from the options. And then, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner. As you can see, the Do Not Disturb focus is currently turned on. Tap on it again to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone ring louder for calls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.